Heard about the $100,000 Manus AI automation framework? Here's the simple idea behind it and how beginners can use it. Start by understanding that the framework is not a magic button for making money. It's simply a system where Manus AI is used to automate repetitive work like research, content creation, planning, customer support, or business workflows. Next, choose one task you do repeatedly. For example, you can use Manus AI to write content, organize leads, summarize information, or create marketing ideas automatically instead of doing everything manually. After that, turn the process into a repeatable workflow. Give Manus AI the same structure or prompt every time so it can complete tasks faster and more consistently. This saves time and allows you to handle more work at scale. Finally, combine automation with a real business or audience. People usually use these systems for content businesses, agencies, online services, or productivity workflows, not just AI alone. Now you know the simple idea behind the $100,000 Manus AI automation framework and how it focuses on automating repetitive work to save time and scale faster.